Madungan po, Jumar.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Tara, maklaro na ninyo. Hello. Klaro ninyo.
Wala yung visual, sir.
Dili pa, sir.
Uy. Ah, ah. Oh, dapat ada. Ada apa? Isu. Hello, Kara, maklaro ninyo.
Yes, sir. Klaro na.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay.
Nana, sir. Nana, sir.
Okay, so okay. Okay, so we are now topic number 5. Elementary application of first order degree differential equation. So we start with Newton's law of cooling. State that the temperature of a body changes the rate proportional in temperature between its own temperature and the temperature of its surrounding. So consider now natay tubig plus ay mag-init at temperature T, then after hello, madamgan ko ninyo? Hello.
Sir, madungo ka, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Madunggan na, sir.
Yes, sir. Madunggan ka, sir.
Okay. So if you're going to get the temperature change, or the temperature after say 10 minutes, 5 minutes, so we have heard the formula, the change of temperature with respect to time is directly proportional to the difference between the temperature of the body minus the temperature of the surrounding. So now in equation form, to remove this proportional constant, so we have here a temperature difference with respect to time is equal to plus and minus T minus T sub H. The rearranging the term we call separable So the integrating both sides. So we have the LNT minus T is limits from feasible, meaning from initial temperature to T plus and minus T, then uh, T, then limit on 0 to T. So now, so we have here LNT minus T is minus LNT or minus T is, we can write this one the same as LNT or minus T is, where T or minus T is then this one, A raised to the power of plus minus T. So this working equation will be our equation one will be our working equation in solving cooling and heating problems. Positive sign will denote heating, ang negative sign will denote cooling. So, for example here, a thermometer which has been a reading of 70 degrees Fahrenheit inside a house is placed outside where the air temperature is 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So 3 minutes later, it is found that the temperature is 25 degrees Fahrenheit. So it has find the reading after 3 minutes. So according to the Newton's law of cooling is siya atong gamiton considering that this one is cooling siya kay atong temperature the decrease. So the time rate of change is proportional to the temperature. So we're going to use negative sign. So negative sign. So we have BT of the temperature difference. So differential BT change of temperature of the with respect to time, differential temperature with respect to time, equal to negative T minus T minus 10. So kaning T class, always remember class na kani siya mo siya tong initial temperature of the body. Okay. So we have here ln T minus 10. Mo siya we're going to integrate this one. Integrate mo siya dere, integrate. Then we have ln T minus 10 minus negative PT ln C. So ato ni siyang LNC class para unya class compact atong equation. Then this one negative PT can also be write as ln ln kani siya negative kaning negative PT can be write as ln negative PT, then kani siya can also be expressed the product LNC then A negative PT. So LN is class, so we can cancel out now LN. So we have here T minus 10 C A negative PT. So your temperature now is a function of 10 plus C A negative PT. So dali sa class so temperature T is 0. Initially, the temperature of the body is 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So here we can solve the value for constant which is equal to 60. So meaning our working equation now is T 10 plus 60 E negative PT. So now when the temperature is 3 minutes, the temperature is 3 minutes, then temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. So we have 25 plus 10 plus C in 3K, di ba? Negative 3K na siya. So here, makuha na ito ang A to the negative K, which is equal to 1/4 raised to the power of 1/3. So now, itong equation karon in terms of time, temperature is equal to 10 plus 60. We know that this one, atong T na to, E to negative T is 1/4 times T to the. So after 6 minutes, temperature pa siya dere. So the temperature is equal to 13.75 degrees Fahrenheit. So, primero class, at ang thermometer, primero 70 at least 0. Then after 3 minutes, pila na lang atong temperature. After 3 minutes, after 3 minutes, kuha na lang siya. Makuha na ito ang primero class mo sa 70 o sa initial na to, at least ito makuha na itong constant, and after 3 minutes, and the temperature is 25, makuha na ito ang yung A to the negative key. Then, after the 6 minutes, makuha na rin ang pila ang atong temperature, which is equal to 13.25 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, another example, it takes 15 minutes for an object to warm up from 10 to 20. So, from 10 to 20, in a room, house temperature is 30. So, we're going to use here, assuming slow cooling, how long would it take to warm from 20 to 25? So, actually, class, we can use positive, ang kuha na class, we can use positive or negative, but here, para panta class, mo maglibog, atong we're going to use negative sign of class, para di kita mawala. So, here, magyapon, witon, you have your LNT minus TS minus PT plus LNC, gikan din ba? Applying variables parabol. At T is 0, then 10 degrees centigrade, ammonia mo outside temperature, room temperature, then ang T na, ang T na to is initially, ang room temperature is 30 degrees centigrade or outside temperature. So here, we can solve for C. Now, at T is equal to 15 minutes, then ang atong temperature is 20 degrees centigrade, then makuha na ito atong K. So, pilisan natin, atong pamagi class, then, at karon kung pila man ka oras class, kung maabot ta o maabot ta 25. So at least equal to 25, substitute mo ang galing formula. So we have here T is equal to 30 minutes. So which means that it takes 30 minutes to warm up from 10 to 25 degrees centigrade. Then it takes 15 minutes to warm up from 10 to 20. 15 minutes of 15 to 20. Then the remaining class from 20 to 25 is 15 minutes. So a total of 30 minutes. So another example here, the last example, thermometer reading 75 degrees Fahrenheit is taken out where the temperature is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So initially, the thermometer reading is 75 degrees centigrade. Then the temperature outside the top is 20 degrees. Now, the thermometer reading is 30 degrees Fahrenheit after 4 minutes later. Now, here us find the time in minutes taken for the reading to drop from 75 degrees, 75 degrees, so in a half degree of the air temperature. What do you mean by this? Within a half degree. So meaning, ang atong both sa class, within a half. So meaning, 20.5 degrees Fahrenheit. So, pila po ng atong oras na. So, from the word, within a half degree of the air temperature, because the air temperature class is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So, within a half man. So meaning, 20.5. We know that the difference between 20.5 and 20 is one half. So, muna siya buot pasabot ani. So, again, by variable separable, so muna itong equation, di ba? Then, T minus 20, C, E negative TT. So, when T is 0, the temperature, the thermometer rating is 75, equal to a constant na 55. Now, when T is 4, the temperature is 30, makuha to ang 8 to the negative T. So, now our working equation as a function of time, is equal to 20 plus 55 2 over 11 T over 4. Now, when T is 20, when the temperature is 20.5, 20.5. So ay may taba ng plus. So kani siya 20.5 minus 20, di ba? Plus kani. So mabili na ni 20.5 minus 20 kani nga expression. 20.5 minus 20, that is 0.5 divided by 55. So kuha din nato then make that of in class, we can have here T equal to 11.09 minutes. So meaning it's 11.09 minutes. The 20.5 degrees Fahrenheit, it takes 11.029 minutes yung time. About di man na siyang 20.5. Now, another application for the linear differential application for the first order differential equation is the simple chemical conversion. So, from the result of chemical experimentation of substance converted into another substance, it was found that the rate of change of unconverted substance is proportional to the amount of unconverted substance. So, if A is the amount of unconverted substance, then dx dt is equal to negative kx, with the condition that x equal to x above when t is equal to 0. Initially, wala na convert class. So, dx over dt is equal to negative kx, then variable separable ln x equal to negative kt plus ln c or ln x plus ln a negative kt. Ano siya? Pwede mo ma-express in this pag-anin plus ln c, or we can have ln x, ln c, a negative kt, cancel out of the ln, so our working equation now is equal to x equal to c, a negative kt. So, using this initial condition, of x equal to x above, when t is 0, then makuha na ito itong c is equal to x above. So meaning, kaya itong c karon plus x equal to x above, a negative kt. Muna itong working equation. Pwede sa class na kanisan at working equation class. Pwede sa kanisan working equation kung gamiton. Sa kaasa ni class. Kung kaniya kung from pinakagwapo class, kaniya kumpak ni siya na equation. So ang sample ani as kani radium decomposes at the rate of proportional to the quantity of radium present. So meaning your dx dt negative kx or x equal to x above a negative kt. Muna niya itong working equation, di ba? Now, suppose it is found that 25 years, approximately 1.1% quantity of radium has decomposed. So, pila man siya ang unconverted. So, meaning, ang unconverted na to class is 100% minus 1, kaya na-decompose man siya class. Na-convert man siya to 1%. So, ang atong unconverted class equal to 100 minus 1.1. So, x above equal to 0.989 x above. So, substitute din mo sa direct class. Substitute ko, we know that atong kanre x, atong x number is 0.9 x above. So, mag-cancel out ang x above. Ang mabiling direct class is 8 to negative t, 0.989 1 over 25. So, here, our working equation now x equal to 0.989 t over 25 x sub o. Now, in the class, determine how long in years will it take 1/2. So meaning, ang imong unconverted ani class is 1/2. So ay problema na class that is on the original amount of radium to decompose, meaning at x equal to 0.5 x sub o. Well, so at x equal to 0.5 x sub o, so we have here 0.5 x sub o, it's equal to, substitute mo siya sa class, cancel out ang x sub o, so makuha na itong time, it's equal to 1,566.65 years. So, application na ni class ng mga uranium class. So, ano siya, you can solve this using this simple chemical conversion. Yan sa nuclear power, sa nuclear gagamitin pas ba. So meaning, kung mo-decompose siya, andot pasabot ang class, kung mo-decompose siya o 0.5, it takes siya o pila ka years? 1,566.65 years. So, another example, a certain radioactivity substance has a half-life of 38 hours. Find how long it takes for 90% of the radioactivity to be dissipated. So, itong gamitan ng equation class, x equal to x sub o, 850, when t is equal to 38 hours, bilang kami half-life man, so 0.5 x sub o. Here, makuha na ito ang 8 to negative t, which is equal to 0.5, 1 over 38. Substitute mo siya din class, so atong equation now, x o x sub o, 0.5 of t over 38. Muna, 8 to negative t. So, ingon din na yun, find how long will it take for 90%. So, ang imong na-dissipate sa 90%, so ang imong unconverted now is equal to 1 minus, when 90% are dissipated, meaning, ang unconverted is x equal to 100 minus 90%, 100% minus 90% of the original x sub o. So, we have there 0.1 x sub o. So, substitute na naman din class, 0.1 x sub o is equal to x sub o, 0.5 t over 38. So, we have here, our time is 126.23 hours. So, last example, so, pili sa natin sa, if 5% of the radioactivity substance decompose in 50 years. So, kailangan atong unconverted ani. So, meaning, atong unconverted ani is 0.95 in 50 years. What percentage will present at the end of 500 years, 100 years, 1,000 years? So, our working equation x sub o in negative 80. So, let m be the percentage. Then, x equal to x sub o when t is equal to 0. When x equal to 0.25 x sub o, atong time na to is 50 years. Bakit? 100% minus 5%. So, ang unconverted na is 0.95 x sub o. So, we are asked now to find kaning m na to when t is equal to 500 and also when paon sa natong m kung atong t na to is 100. So, when x equal to x sub o, when t is 0, paon sa nato ang n x sub o. So, we have here pila tong n x sub o. So, n x sub o equal to 6. So, we have here at x equal to 0.25 x sub o. When x equal to 0.10 x sub o, so then when t is 50, so isa itong makuha direct class ng atong t is equal to negative 1.03 times 10 to negative 3. So base matingala mo anong wala po ni siya, wala po ni siya gamitan na equation. Pwede sa data kaniya itong gamitan ng equation class. Kalisan. So, now, when x equal to n example, when t is 500, substitute natin mo dito class. So we have here ln example 500 minus 1.03 times 10 minimum minimum plus ln example. So ang mabilin dito class o ln example minus ln example. We know that ln kung minus na siya ln m example minus ln example, pareha na gyapon siya sa ln m example over example. So, siya nabilin dire is only on ln m. So, atong kaon ng m, so we have the 59.75%. Again, when x cut, when t is 100, 1,000, makuha na to class ang atong percentage na equal to 35.7%. Okay? Now, next class is the population growth. Ay, dito na kay class ha, balik na to. Exam. Yes. Pwede na kay class ha, mubalhin ko sa laing PC class. Pwede kay klaro.
Hello, maklaro ninyo? Hello? Hello? Maklaro ninyo?
Klaro sir, pero nimbalik sa first.
Ah?
Yes sir. Nimbalik sa
Hello?
sugod.
Ah?
Klaro siya.
Sige. Kajat lang kaya for a while sa ako sa iba, ako sa ako sa tuyo tungusan ako. Kajat lang. Mga 2 minutes. Hello? Maklaro na ninyo? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Klaro na po, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so now for the population growth application. So the population growth differential equation problems are based on the concept that the time rate of change of the population is directly proportional to the number of population at any given time t. So we have here DP atong working equation, we have here the change of differential of P with respect to time is equal to Kp, where K is a proportional constant. So by separation variables, so this is now our general equation, LNP equal to Kt plus C. Actually, kani sa class, pwede gapon nato nin siya nga equation atong gamiton class. Kani. Kani nga equation, parehara mong gapon ni sila. Ano na, sorry. Kani siya, pwede gapon ni siya class. Okay, so, kani akong gamiton class. So, for example, the population of a country doubles in 30 years, assuming that the rate of increase is proportional to the number of inhabitants. How many years will it be 6 times as much? So, when t is 0, so the population p is p sub o. So, substitute nato aning working equation wherein ato makuha natong c, which is equal to ln p sub o. So, meaning, ang atong atong constant now is ln p sub o. At t is equal to 30 years, the population is double. So, meaning, 2 times p sub o. So, good man tao. P sub o man. Double man siya. Oh. Double. So, here, atong masolve ang t. 0.023105. Now, you're asked here kung what if kung 6 times na siya as much. So meaning 6 times p sub o. So here, masolve na to, ang time na to class is 77.55 years. Kung kung ang iyang kadaghanan class is 6 times the initial of which is p sub o. So another example, in the year 2021, the population of a certain country is 24 million. Then in 2025, the population increased to 82 million. So assuming that the rate of increase is proportional to the number of inhabitants, what was the population in the year 2023? So at 2021, that is at t is 0, pila ganito, 24 million. So here, makuha na tong c which is equal to ln 24. Atong t, at t is equal to 0 man ta, ba? Sa 2021. Now, at t is equal to 2025, at year 2025, atong t is 4. So 2025 minus 2021, atong time ano is 4. Then the population is 82 million. So here, ang makuha nato is ang kaning k, which is equal to 0.037166. Then at year 2023, so 2023 minus 2021, so atong t na is 2. So what is this p, population? So substitute nato diri class ato tong equation. So ang anon diri is muna itong working equation, LNP is equal to 0.3071660 plus LN24. So, substitute mo ang T. So, we have here RP is equal to 44.36 million. Okay? Now, another application is the mixing problems. So in the mixing problems, suppose that at time t is equal to 0, the quantity Q sub O of a substance is present in a container. Assume that at time t is 0, the fluid containing concentration. So kaning concentration class, that is the amount of salt in the tank at any time t, divided by the volume of water in the tank at any time t. So muna tong concentration. So mo change atong concentration ani so at any time is allowed to enter the container at a constant rate, and that mixture is kept at a uniform concentration throughout by mixing mixing device. Also assume that at t is equal to 0, the mixture in the container with a concentration C beta is allowed to escape at a constant rate. So na kay concentration nga mosulod, nasa kay concentration dire nga mogawa sa container. Now, the problem is to determine the amount of Q. Unsa maning Q? So kaning Q class mo ni siya ang mass of the substance in the container at any time t. So the rate of change, the amount of substance in the container equals to the rate which is dq over dt, which is the fluid enters the container times the concentration of the substance. So entering fluid minus the rate at which the fluid leaves the container times the concentration of the substance in the container. So we have here the nakay rate nga entering. So ang unit na to ni class is volume flow rate. Kani may mong kaning alpha o beta. Then ang atong concentration na to, that is pound. Ang unit sa na to ni class, that is pound amount mass over volume. So mo ni atong main equation. So the rate of change of Q, which is dq over dt, is equal to inflow rate of Q. So rate entering times concentration entering minus outflow rate, which is the rate leaving beta times C beta. So oni atong rate at which enters the tank, alpha times C sub alpha. Then ang atong mugawas, that is beta times C sub beta. So for example here, na kay the tank originally 100 gallon of fresh water. So at t is equal to 0 mo na siya initially. Then the water containing 1 pound of salt per 2 gallon is poured into the tank at a rate of 2 gallons per minute. And the mixture is allowed to leave at the same rate. So unsa may rate ani class, the same rate. So meaning kaning 2 gallons per minute. So 1/2 pound. So muna atong concentration. So using the working equation, rate in minus rate out. So salt concentration times flow rate in minus tank concentration times flow rate out. So we know that this one, atong rate na to is constant. So we have here the parameters, Q sub T, the amount of salt at time T, then Q sub O, the initial amount of salt in the tank. So when T is 0, atong mass na to is atong mass dere is kuan pa na siya, 0 sad. So Q sub equal to 0. So atong concentration here is 1/2 pound per 2 gallon. Okay, sorry. Kani siya dahil wala ni siya klaso. Tayop ni siya. That is 1/2 pound of salt per gallon. Apil pa na ko. Sige lang. Ako lang na i-ano niya. Kani siya. Wala ni siya. So, now, the tank concentration, we have here Q at any time T over the current amount of water solution, that is Q over, muna ni siya class at any time T sa paggawas na niya. Over 100 gallon. So in this equation, So atong rate na to, rate in equal to rate out, which is equal to 2 gallons per minute. So atong i-substitute into the differential equation, kani atong differential equation, we have here 1/2 pound gallon, times 2 gallons per minute. Kung na atong concentration, kani 1/2 pound. Wala ni siya. Minus, ang atong rate na to paggawas, that is Q over 100 at anytime tinum ni siya. Pagsulod, ano niya diri sa tangke. So, primero, wala pa na siya mass. So, nakay concentration, nakay flow rate diri ng sulod. Pagsulod, ano niya diri. So, imong mass diri dayon, kaya pure water pa ni siya. Wala pa na siya mass, o wala pa na siya. So, pagsulod, ano niya karon, then at any time take ani siya dire karon nana ni siya muna ang atong concentration is always Q over 100. So minus Q over 100 muna atong concentration na to sa pagawas times 2 gallons per minute. So we have here our equation dQ, you have 1 minus Q over 50. So atong i-rewrite atong equation, we have here dq over dt plus q over 50 equal to 100. So, here, unsa man siya? Linear equation ni siya. Ba? Kuhaon na to ang atong integrating factor which is equal to a to t over 50. So after integrating both sides, so muna atong working equation now, q is equal to Q is equal to 50 plus C in C raised to the power of negative T over 50. So, from our initial condition, kung atong when Q, o kung atong Q na to is 0, ato i-substitute anay dire ba? Dire. Makuha na to atong, then ang atong T is 0, makuha na tong C which is equal to negative 50. So, our solution to this differential equation at any time t atong mass is a function of time. So we have here Q is equal to 50 minus 50 in negative t over 50. Now, karon pila ko na ang amount nimo? Pila ko na yung mass nimo dire? Pila ko na imong mass dire after 10 minutes. So, after 10 minutes, imo na lang siya i-substitute aning equation. The amount of salt after 30 minutes, imo i-substitute imo kaning equation. Our Q now is equal to 22.559 sabi dire, pwede siya pound man ato dire ba? Pound. So, pound ni siya. Okay. Another example, a tank contains 80 gallons of pure water. A brine solution with 2 kg per gallon of salt enters at 2 gallons per minute. So, nakay concentration class nga 2 kg per gallon. Then, nakay rate nga muna imong concentration na then muna imong rate 2 gallons per minute, and the well stirred mixture live at the same rate. So mo gyapon 2 gallons per minute. Find the time at which the brine leaving will contain ang imong concentration kuno class. Pila kuno ka oras class kung atong concentration class is 1 kilogram of gallon of salt. Okay. So using these formulas, dq over dt, ato lang kung atong concentration na to is 2 times rate na to 2 gallons minus constant man ba? Minus 2 times atong concentration at any time t which is Q over 80 ba? It's equal to 4 minus Q over 40. So makita na to class atong i-rearrange atong i-rewrite atong equation. So linear ni siya karon, dq over dt plus q over 40 is equal to 4. So here, our integrating factor here is equal to a raised to the power of t over 40. So ito ni substitute karon class dire. So we have Our Q now is equal to 160 plus CE negative T over 40. So, when T is 0, then atong Q is 0, kaya wa pa mahimas ana, kuha na to atong constant C which is equal to negative 160. Now, so muna niya atong equation karon Q 160 minus 160 A negative T over 50. Now, if the concentration C beta is equal to 1, which is equal to Q over ET, mo na itong concentration. Our Q now is equal to ET. So, substitute mo aning diri nga equation. So, ang atong T now is equal to, ang atong concentration na to, sa ganito, 1 kilogram per gallon, ang atong, it takes now 27.73 minutes. Now, what if kung duha ka tank, pwede siya tulo ang pwede siya nato nibutan dire og tulo. Tulo, pwede siya na siya. So ato dire duha. So consider two tanks labeled tank A and tank B. The tank A is 100 gallon kani, manutong A, 100 gallon of solution in which dissolved 20 pound of salt. Mong mas na to. Then while tank B contains 200 gallons of solution in which dissolved 40 pound of salt. So, primero, sulod diri is pure water into a tank at a rate of 5 gallon per second. So, meaning, kung pure water siya, so wala tay concentration class, wala tay concentration. So, meaning, atong atong concentration nato din musulod is 0 kay pure water man siya. Then there is a drain at the bottom of tank A. Dire. The solution leaves tank A via this drain at the rate of kani siya musulod na siya dire at 5 gallon per second. And the flows immediately into tank B at the same rate. So mo gyapon 5 gallon per second gyapon magawas. Tank A drain at the bottom of tank B allows the solution to leave tank B also at a rate of 5 gallon per second. What is the salt content in tank B after 1 minute? So pila na ko na atong padre atong mass. So from observation class, tank A has a pure water entering, so meaning input rate of salt is 0. So tank B, the input rate of salt, input rate ng mga salt is also equal to the output rate of salt from tank A. Ini, dire. Ang mugawas diri mo sa musulod diri sa B. So from the initial value for tank A, so dx dt, pwede sa ang x na to, pwede sa instead of q, x atong gamiton class. So dx dt is equal to 0 kay pure water man siya minus x over 100, di ba? Kay concentration nimo at any time t times 5 gallons per second. So we have here negative 120 over x k. So at t is 0, take note that at t is 0, atong x, atong mass na to is 20 pounds. So, now, for the initial value problem for tank B, your dy dt, so kaning negative 120x karon mo muni ang imong dx dt, pag sulod ani niya karon dire, mo positive na sana siya. So that is 120x minus nana sa kay y dire kay line kani dire x ang imong mass dire is tank by. So that is muna siya karon nga y over 200 times 5 gallon per second. So we have here ini siya is equal to negative 140y. So at t is 0, dire sa tank B, ang at t is 0, ang atong ang atong mass is 40. Ano to 40? Nara. 40. So mo na atong working equation now. Atong initial value problem for tank A dx dt is equal to negative 1 over 20x at t is 0, ang x na to is 20. Then next, for tank B, muna atong working equation, dy dt is equal to 120x minus 1 over 40y at t is 0, your mass is 40. Initially, muna siya. So ato ni solve on karon class. So kini siya, solve na to ni. So, how will you solve this one? So ato ning solve on og solve ni siya. Variable separable. So solving for the initial problem kani siya, atong solve na to ni siya. So we have here x equal to c e negative t over 20. Iba kani siya, iba kami ni siya ln x negative 120t ani plus ln c or ln x kani siya pwede siya naton siya masuot og a negative 1 over 20t plus ln c kani ln siya diri. So or we can have here x ln x man siya diri. So mao ni siya. Like, so x over t c1 a negative t over 20. So ato na siyang using variable separable. So when t is 0, atong x is 20, so mo-solve na to diri ang tong c1 which is equal c1 na to is 20. So now your working equation sa tank A diri as a function of time, x equal to 20 a negative t over 20. Then solving for the second initial value problem, so we have here dy dt is equal to 1 over 20. So unsa kay mong times unsa ni x, pila tong x diri which is equal to 20 a negative t over 40 minus 1 over 40y, so we have here a negative t over 20 minus 1 over 40y. So the differential equation is the first order kani siya. Ang ano mo siya karon class is the first order linear. So dy dt minus 1 over 40y a negative t over 20. So atong integrating factor here is equal to a t over 40. Or negative t over 40. So when t is 0, your y is 40, makuha na to atong c sub 2. So kuha na to atong c sub 2 which is equal to 80. So substitute na nimo class, so you have your y atong working equation karon sa tank B as a function of time, y is equal to negative 40 a negative t over 20 plus c2, where our c2 na to muna ni siya 80 negative t over 40. So muna ni atong equation nimo at any time t sa tank B, y is equal to negative 40 a negative t over 20 plus 80 a negative t over 40. Now substitute na nimo class when t is equal to 60 seconds, kay ingom dire after 1 minute. So after 1 minute, we know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So to substitute class dayon. Now set t is equal to 60, substitute mo dire. So t is equal to 60 seconds or 1 minute. So we have here 15.9 pounds. So mao ni siya. Okay. So another application is the Torricelli's law. So naman tingali mo ani class labi sa atong fluid mechanics, ba? So here you are going to consider a water tank with a hole. So na kahit kani tangke kani mo ni siya na ibangag. The tank will drain through this hole at the rate proportional to the height of the water as this influence the pressure. So the Torricelli's laws gives the basic model that relates the volume of water to the height of the water. Kanina ga siya. So we have here dB dt is equal to negative CD E square root of 2GH. Yaning E, that is the area of, muna siya ang area of the hole, bottom of the tank in meter per second squared, or this is also equal to A negative E square root of 2GH, square root of 2G, then H. So, now, gani siya karon, pwede na to na siya, anyway, constant pa na siya. So, we have here, K is also equal to E square root of 2G, anyway, constant pa na siya. So, our working equation now, in your change of volume with respect to time is equal to negative K square root of H. So, ang B na to, the volume of water in the tank at time T in 60 seconds. Ang H na to is the height of the water in the tank. Then CD is actually dimensionless na siya, constant known as the coefficient of discharge, and A, area of the hole. So, okay. So, now, kung ang tank na to is cylinder, wala problema. So, ini constant ng atong area. So, we have here dB dt is equal to area dH over dt. So, in this case, the equation now becomes dH dt is equal to negative K square root of H. So, kaya siya nga equation will only hold for cylinder. Kung dili gani class, kani yun atong gamiton. Kung, for example, spare na siya, dili ni siya, ayaw naggamitan nga equation. Okay? So, for example, for a cylinder, a tank shaped like a vertical cylinder contains water to a depth of 9 feet. A bottom plug is pulled at time T is equal to 0. After 1 hour, I muslot diri class, after 1 hour, nahimo na lang siyang, gikan from 9 feet, nahimo na lang siyang 4 feet. Now, here as how long will it take for all the water to drain from the tank? So, pila kuno ka oras hantod atong tubig dire mahurot. So, muna siya. So, anyway, kung ni siya cylinder ni siya, so we will simply use this equation. dH dt is equal to negative K square root of H. So, atong solvon sa nato at solving constant K by applying variable separable. Dire, variable separable. So, we have here our negative K, our K is equal to negative K is equal to negative 3. Now, when atong height is 0, kay wala ang tubig nato kung burot na siya, so when height is 0, so pila atong time. So, imo na siya kram gamiton ta ni siya nga equation, so limits from 9 to 0 dH over square root of H equal to negative K dt 0 to T. So, integrate na nato, then apply now the limits. So, we have here our T is equal to 3 hours. Okay? Another example, last na ning application akong ikuan class. Find the time required for a hemispherical ball of 2 feet in diameter to empty through an inch hole. So, naibangag dire class nga 1 inch dire at the bottom. Now, karon class, kung diri sa taas, we know that the radius now is 1 feet. How about kung diri? Pila naman itong radius dia? So, kung ato ng karon class, ato ng kani siya diri, pila may height ani niya diri karon? May mo na siyang 1 minus h. Then kani siya class, paingon dia class, that is always kay radius mo ni ni nato class. Ang radius nato class is 1 feet, di ba? Kay from the diameter of 2 feet. So, kung tanaw na nim sa karon class, muna sa i-draw karon class. Triangle na siya class. Ani. So, muna atong R. reduce kanidre kung dire ng tubig. And kanidre is 1 minus h kani 1. So meaning use 1 man siya ba kani r pwede na atong r karon using a Pythagorean theorem, r squared plus 1 minus h squared is equal to 1. So mo siya karong mahitabo. Your r now is equal to square root of 1 minus h squared. Now, the radius of the circle forming its surface, the water in which dt generates a cylinder of the altitude y dt, which with an end circle as base, mo man siya, double, kaya tong diameter na to is inch, kanimbangang dire class is 1 inch man siya. So atong volume now is pi over 1 over 24 times 2 times b dt. So atong kanan or we have here negative pi r squared dh, di ba? Na kabalo man tas r na to is equal to this one. That is equal to r squared na r squared is kani siya ba r squared na nimo, that is also equivalent to h squared minus 2h then dh. So substitute nato karon pi h squared minus 2h times dh is equal to pi 1 over 24 squared then b dt or equal to pi pila gani atong kondire kung wala kay gihatag gani atong CD, you're going to use 0.60. Square root of 2gh over 24 squared at dt. So, atong ikuan class, separating the variables, so our t is now is equal to 112 seconds. So, ano siya? So, meaning, pag it takes 112 seconds to empty sa kaning hemispherical ball. Okay, so that's all for today. Then we will continue another application which is kaning the hanging cables or suspension bridge, then catenary, na pa ni siya dili class ato. Next meeting na siya or pwede sa man sakto sa ni or next meeting na. Hello.
Meeting na, sir.
Okay. So, kalan sa ta. Okay, so, thank you kaya. Na si Kon? Na si Kon? General Lamberti? Hello?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Kuha na ni mo, Kon?
Mag-picture pa.
Sige, sige, thank you.
Sige, sir. Wait lang, ha? Okay na, sir.
Okay.
Sa
So,
uban nga naikuan kanang profile, please na lang kukuan sa inyong names. Thank you.
Thank you kayo. Good night.
Good
Thank
night,
you.
sir.
Salamat
Thank you.
kayo.
Thank you, sir.
Sige, sige.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sige.
Good night, sir.
Oy, by the way, ang
Thank you, sir.
inyong problem sheet, ugma.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow.
Sige, thank you.